Shenyang Contor's Code Flying Saw Installation Animation. Thank you for purchasing Shenyang Contor's Flying Saw. When installing, please refer to the installation steps in the animation. Install the anchor bolts first. Put the flying saw and output table in the right place. Pull a tube mill center line, then calibrate the center line position. Adjust the center line left and right so that the line falls in the center of the mold. Adjust the center line of output table side, let line fall in the center of the mold. Push the cut to tube mill side. Adjust the position of flying saw, let the center line coincides with the center mark. Push the cut to output table side. Adjust the position of flying saw, let the center line coincides with the center mark. Then push cut to tube mill side, check if the center position is correct, if not, adjust. Adjust the horizontal position after the center is adjusted. Measure the height of the rolling bottom line of tube mill and mark it out for view. Adjust infrared level height to make it coincide with tube mill bottom line, which is the horizontal baseline. Push cut to tube mill side, adjust flying saw height. Let flying saw horizontal line 3 to 5 mm higher than baseline. Push cut to output table side. And calibrate the height. Measure both sides height of lower guide roller, make error within 2 mm. Measure both sides of upper guide rail height, make error within 2 mm. According to design, determine the two guides' height difference. After adjusting two guides' height difference, calibrate center again. If no problem, fix the flying saw. Adjust the center and the height of output table, 10 to 20 mm lower than horizontal baseline. Lay thread pipes, one wire for one pipe, to avoid interference. Place control cabinet, no water ditch around to avoid moisture. The earth wire is installed to machine side, welded to thread pipes, and control cabinet separately. Then threading, wiring, no load test. If there is any problem, please feel free to contact us. We will serve you in the first place. To be #1 brand of intelligent cutting equipment for metal in China.